What is prop trading? So prop traders use the capital of a broker-dealer to trade the markets. So basically, you get to leverage the balance sheet of the company that you work for. It allows the trader to access significant leverage because they can take advantage of a broker-dealer's capital base. The prop trading firm receives a small portion of the trader's profits. So traders, professional traders, are compensated through a profit split. So that's how the professional accounts work. And the majority of professional prop traders do this full-time. This is what they do. For example, myself, this is what I do. Most of the people on the team, that's what they do. Probably 95% of my traders work full-time as a trader. The other 5% may have other careers or businesses, but they have enough flexibility to be able to focus on trading during the important times. So basic requirements to become a professional trader: you have to become licensed with an SIE, Security Industry Essentials, and Series 57 examination. You have to pass a background check. You cannot be a convicted felon or declared bankruptcy in the last couple of years and join the company. If you've ever been arrested, it has to be disclosed. And you need to have base in the United States and US work authorization. You don't necessarily have to be a US citizen, but you have to be a US resident to have a professional account with T3. What are the major advantages of becoming a professional trader? Well, here's 3 big ones. This is not an exhaustive list. Believe me, there's even more than this, but probably the 3 biggest advantages. First and foremost, number 1 is buying power, capital access. We typically start, depends a little bit on the trader's experience level, the trader's approach. We typically start by allocating traders capital at 20 times their account size for equity day trading and 8 times their account size for equity overnight positions. So you want to trade with $1 million, you fund your account with $50,000. So advantage number 1 was the capital access, the buying power. Advantage number 2, direct market access. As a professional trader at T3 Trading Group, we are not selling your orders out to HFT firms. Lifestyle flexibility is one of the advantages of becoming a professional trader. And it's not to make the mistake of thinking that trading is easy. Trading is difficult. It's a lot of hours, keeping the journals, analyzing your own psychology. It's a lot of mental and physical energy that's going to take. But for me, I'm passionate about it. I love what I do. I love studying markets. And I do think that passion is a prerequisite for success. So adding up these 3 big reasons to become a prop trader: capital access, buying power, direct market access and routing, and lifestyle flexibility. Not to mention the sneaky 4th big one here: all the free training, development, and access to a really strong team. Because we want you to be a successful trader. If you are a successful trader, you are making money for yourself and you're making money for the company. Everybody's happy. So we want to do everything we can to get you to that point.